So, how is ROI or return on investment actually calculated? Well, ultimately, it is the net profit from the investment divided by the cost of the investment multiplied by 100. So, if we are looking at spending in our business, this is what we should be thinking about is the net profit from the investment divided by the cost of the investment times 100. Now, the net profit from the investment can be the number that is quite difficult to figure out sometimes, but it is worth spending time assessing that because this percentage then shows you how much return your business is getting from that investment relative to its cost. And some things will have a higher percentage than others. So if you are looking at cutting back on things or reassessing how you spend, it's important to understand where things rank when you're thinking about the return on investment that you might be getting from each part of the spending that exists in your business. Because ultimately, the ROI helps you decide where to allocate your resources, whether that's on marketing, hiring, or new technology.